Welcome back to Autistic Today we're creating a simple Next.js soundboard using the Web Speech API. This demo will show you how to generate speech from text in your Next.js application. I'm going to assume that you know some of the basics of Next.js. If not, please watch the Pokemon API tutorial series. Let's get started. The Web Speech API allows browsers to convert text into spoken words and vice versa. This API is widely supported and doesn't require any external libraries. To start, create a new Next.js project using the command on the screen. Next, let's create a SoundboardButton component in app/soundboardComponent.js. This component will trigger the Web Speech API to speak a given word when clicked. The code for this component is on your screen. Now modify page.js to include multiple SoundboardButton instances. In this project, we used the Web Speech API to synthesize speech from text. Specifically, we created a SpeechSynthesisUtterance object with the word to be spoken. We used window.SpeechSynthesis.speak to convert text into speech. And finally, we integrated this functionality into a Next.js component, allowing users to click a button and hear the word aloud. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Let's keep learning and growing together.